In this video, we're going to cover how to fix the data error cyclic redundancy check in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7 using 3 different methods. Please subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful troubleshooting guides. If you are trying to open a drive and keep seeing the data error cyclic redundancy check message, don't worry. We're going to go through the steps together and help you resolve it. This issue can appear on internal hard drives like HDDs and SSDs, but it can also affect USB flash drives, external hard drives, and SD cards. If your drive is not opening or is showing errors, follow these methods one by one. First, go to the search bar, type CMD, and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window opens, type the following command, chkdsk, followed by your drive letter. In this example, the drive letter is D, but yours may be different. After that, type a colon, then /r/x, and press Enter. This scan can take some time, depending on the size and condition of the drive. Once the process is complete, close Command Prompt and try accessing your drive again. Next, open File Explorer and right-click on the drive that is showing the problem. Select Properties, then go to the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check. Windows will scan the drive and automatically try to fix any file system errors it finds. If your drive is showing as unallocated, then follow this next method carefully. First, go to the link provided in the video description and download the tool. When the download is complete, find the file and extract it, then open the extracted folder. Right-click on the executable file and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the software needs proper access to the drive. Wait for the program to load, then click Agree to continue. At the top of the software window, use the drop-down menu to select the affected SSD or hard drive. To make sure you choose the correct drive, open Disk Management, right-click the problematic drive, select Properties, and note the drive name. Then go back to the tool. After selecting the correct drive, click on Tests, then choose Erase, and click the right arrow icon to begin. When prompted, click Yes, and then click Yes again to confirm. Keep in mind that this process will erase all data on the drive, and it may take some time depending on the size of the drive. Let it continue until it reaches 100% completion. Once the process is finished, open Disk Management and format the drive. After that, your hard drive or SSD should be revived and ready to use again. That's how you can fix the data error cyclic redundancy check issue using these 3 methods. We hope this guide helped you get your drive working again. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. We'll see you in the next video.